Okay. Yeah, I took a trade here this morning, last night. Last night I took a trade last night and lost that. Lost $54. You see that big drop on gold last night? Yep, that drop on gold. I um I was in it. I was in the sales and then I just end up having a tight stop and then it just took me out and dropped. It took me out and dropped. If I left the 30 pip stop, I would have been okay, but it is what it is. Yeah, it was, yeah, 30 pips, 30 pips, 35 stops was really good. It would have been fine. Anyways, let's just see what's going on here. So gold doesn't look bad here actually. If the 15 closes like this, I actually may take a trade here on gold, if I'm being honest. If I'm being honest, we have rejections here. By the way, sorry guys. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Kick. How's everyone doing? How's everyone doing? Wait, is this Let me see something. Ah, you're not hearing a fan in my mic, right? Yeah, okay, good. Awesome. Awesome. Doo-doo, 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 doo-doo. Doo-doo, 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 doo-doo. Um, boom, boom. Good morning, Umar. Good morning. Hope all is well. Got some work to do here today, huh? We got some work to do here today. So let me just do my make sure trade sync is on. Everything is good. All right. All accounts are goal is connected as well. Good. All right. Okay. All right, guys. So we had a rejection here for goal, right? We're pushing up here, but this 15-minute most likely gonna close like a doji. So the break of the high would be okay for buys to continue up here. Yeah, should very well be okay here. Yeah, I'll be okay taking buys on gold here today, possibly. So I'll leave this open. Let's go to another chart. Let's go to YM. Shall we? Okay. Okay, YM looks really nice here. Hmm, to a degree. Wow. Yeah, YM. Actually, I'm taking that back. Not really. We have a 30-minute high here. Okay. Wow, that's 70. Okay. So if we close above this zone here, this 30-minute high, yeah, if we close above this 30-minute high here, we should be good to continue bullish. So this would be a wick fill here. and then possibly, yeah, this would be the next zone here. Okay, yeah, let's see what the 5 minute looks like here. Hmm. So if we close above here, we could take buys, right? So if we close above here, we could, if we get a wick down, we could possibly take buys on that. But if not, we'll have to wait for the break. Man, this is a tricky one. This is a tricky one. This is a tricky one. We'll have to see what NQ has in store for us. Yeah, we'll have to see what NQ has in store for us. Not looking too bright. Not gonna lie, it's not looking too bright. Let's see. Let's see what NQ has here. I'm really not liking why I'm there though. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, wow. So NQ is actually in a decent range here. 3 hour, almost 4 hour range here. This is very good. Definitely very good. We close above here on the 30 minute. This would be a proper zone here for buys above here. So yeah. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. I don't see any sales here for NQ. No sales. I think what may happen is that price come back into this range here and then continue bullish if anything. But for the most part, yeah, we have a range here. I think this is gonna be have to be a patient day. We have to be super patient here. What high is this? Ooh, we got a 4 hour high here though. But we're gonna mark off this 1 hour high. This would be our target. This would be our target here for NQ for buys. I mean, if it pushes now, then we don't have anything really. But yeah, close close above here. Yeah, YM don't look too good, Umar. Yeah, I'm looking at I'm looking at NQ and hey bro, what you looking at? Yeah. Could use that as a break. Yeah, could use it as a break because we're closing bullish on his 30. Yeah. Yeah, NQ look very yeah, NQ is actually looking really good. Like really, really good. Mm. I mean, yeah, I don't see no sales on NQ. I don't see no sales on NQ here. Don't see no sales on NQ. What I think we may, if we get a steep week as well, like that would be a good ass trade today. If we get a good bottom week as well, that would be a really good trade today. So, what I'm gonna do here is, since I'm only trading on top step. By the way, guys, no evaluations. I'm not trading no evaluations. Only funded accounts. So I'm gonna put gold. Gold is gonna be on my charts today. It's not often gold get the highlight. It's not often at all. So what I'll be looking for here is a bottom wick on gold and a break of the high. If I don't get the bottom wick, I'm not gonna enter. Gold trade gonna be 5, NQ going to be Three contracts. Yep. And YM 890 sells for NQ 1 hour. 890. Oh yeah, it's not bad, but the market is too bullish though. So yes, it's true it could come all the way back down, but yeah, yeah, I could see sales there. I could see sales there, Umar. I could see sales there. But I would really like to, especially if we don't get a top wick. If we just break immediately, then I'm not gonna be in buys. I will need I will need somewhat of a pullback. And then if we pull back and we break those lows after breaking those highs, then the sales would be a bit better here, right? The sales would be a lot better then. So 1 to 1, maybe move stops early, right? We're looking at current highs here for NQ. But again, we need a bottom wick here for NQ. We need a bottom wick here for NQ. Same as gold, YM. YM gonna be on my next screen. I really don't like YM right now. I really don't like YM right now. I'm not lying. I don't see anything really. Break up the current highs, that's about it, but yeah. And we have a 1 to 1 on the break of the current highs, so yeah, that would be okay. YM would be 7. All right. Okay, guys. Okay, let's try to do this shit the right way, huh? Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna be using 30 point stop on goal. Might be a bit tight, but yeah. Oh, this is not a bad closure on NAS though. Okay, NQ closed above, not NQ, but YM closed above those highs there. But I don't. Shit. Yeah, yeah. I think I'm too late here for YM. Yeah, I'm too late here for YM, bro. I didn't get in on YM. I didn't get in. I was too late. I didn't realize he made the bottom wick. Okay, there we go, and there we go. There Nas go. There goes Nas. YM already moved 2 hour, by the way. Um, I'm not in on goal though. It's a good one, but I'm not in on goal. I just don't have confidence these days on goal, man. Yeah, YM. Ooh, wow. Yeah, we fucked up on the YM here. We fucked up on YM here. We fucked up on YM here. Okay, there we go. Top of the zone. Ooh, yeah, YM is gone. We fucked up on YM here. Big time. Big time. We got a closure above and we didn't take it. God damn it, man. God damn it. YM is fucking gone, bro. We got a closure above. Why didn't we take it? Fuck. I wasn't even paying attention to it, too. We already went 4 hour, 5 hour on YM, bro. Holy fuck. We went 5 hour on YM, bro. Holy shit. We went 5 fucking hour on YM. Okay, I think we're gonna have a buy stop here for NQ. Yeah. I almost jumped in on YM, but I'm like, you know what? I need to be careful. I don't want to fuck around and but yeah. We got the closure and I just man, hate when this shit happens. Hate when this shit happens. Hate when this shit happens, man. Fuck. YM looks so beautiful here. Yeah, goal is not even.
Crazy on that.
Huh?
The pullback is crazy on that.
Yeah, crazy pullback. Yeah, we should get the buys here on NQ. We should get some buys here on NQ, man. Once it flips, that's it. That because that's the bottom wick here we're looking at. It also closed above the 30, so the 30-minute zone. So we really should be okay here. Gold is pushing as well. Gold is almost at 1 to 2 here. To yeah, I'll use a 4. That's my only trade here, by the way. That would be my only trade. If Nas break those highs, that's gonna be my only trade. The gold buys wasn't bad. We're waiting.
I'm
We're
not even
wait.
looking at the gold.
Huh?
I'm not even looking at the gold.
Yeah, gold is okay. I mean, it's just about shy of the 1 to 2. And Q wanna drop here though. I'm not liking it. I prefer those buys. Do I take 1 to 1 here on NQ?
Oh wow.
I mean on NQ. Tevin, you knew that would happen. Why did you fucking? Oh man, man. Ah, I knew like
I bet on the
I
I'm
knew.
betting on young Cayman to just pull back.
Yes, same here. But ah man, well, yeah, our decision making is just off right now, man. Fuck. I'm going for a 1 to 1 here. If I'm being honest, if I could get it, I don't know if I'll get it. Why my chat moving like that? Why my shit moving like that? What's this? Okay, this is a nice closure here though. I'm in on that extra. Yeah, I'm in again. I'm moving stops above the wick. Risk management here. Risk management here. Sorry. This was too nice here. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm going for 1 to 1 as well. So let's keep that in mind. Yeah, going for 1 to 1 here on the initial, not the second entry, but the initial one. Ooh. Yeah, stops. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out of NQ. Break even for the most part. Yeah, I'm out. I had to be aggressive here. I just had to
I
be.
took 1.3 out.
Yeah, I had to be aggressive here on NQ on managing that risk. I don't like that sell. I guess we have done 1 hour today, I guess. Not really from this
Not
session.
really bought this.
Yeah, not really from this session, but combined with the daily. Because I genuinely think here, like these buys here is the better play for NQ. Even if it drops, like it's not a nice drop. It's not a nice drop at all. Yeah, it's not a nice drop at all. The buys have the better range. It is what it is, guys.
Is it?
We missed YM. We missed YM. YM about to break those highs there.
I was gonna say if it starts going up, I'm probably gonna really enter again, you guys.
With YM? Oh, NQ, yeah, yeah. Because once it breaks those highs there and starts going up, then we know what it is.
Yeah.
We know what it is. Yeah, I didn't follow my rules here. I didn't follow my rules here at all, man.
How much did you lose?
I'm down 110, 110 bucks. Yeah, that's what I'm risking for the most part. I'm risking like 100 bucks.
Did we have any news today?
Yeah, we had news at 8:30. Unemployment.
There's a fucking kid over there. Dumbass. Thank you. No, not too hard. Go on. I mean,
There's possible buys. There's possible buys on 619 here for YM, but yeah, 619, 620. Yep, there's possible buys above that wick there to the left. Possible buys. So again, based on this 5 minute closure as well. Yeah, there's the 1 hour here for Nas.
yeah.
Yeah, gold is doing shit, man. Gold ain't doing shit. Gold ain't doing
Gold
shit.
is.
I'm gonna wait here to see the 15 minute closure. See what it is can play out here for the 15 minute closure here on YM. The 15 minute closure for NQ, however, it won't really matter because I don't see any range here. So to me, it won't really matter. We will need a closure below here, like below 800, in order to do anything on NQ in terms of sales. Yeah, but wow, that pullback on NQ. Okay, so that would have been trade loss there for me. I would have lost a lot more. So let's wait for this 5 minute closure. I'm looking at the break of those highs here on that 620 break on so let me remove gold here on YM. Looking at a possible break on those highs there. 620. Nas just flipped. Wow. Yeah.
Maybe on the break of this low, I'm going to again itself.
Yeah. For me here is gonna be for me here is
Maybe
gonna
clinch
is
again.
gonna is gonna be YM for me. For me it's gonna be YM here. For me it's gonna be YM. Hmm. This 15 minute closure here is okay, so the 5 minute failed to close above here again. Let's see how this 15 closes here. Hey Umar, how you doing, man? Anything today? Still have the buy stop pending here for still have the buy stop pending here for NQ, by the way. 1 hour cut on NQ shots. Okay, nice, nice. Because you did say you was looking for 1 hour. Very nice. Stuck to your rules there. Very, very nice. Okay then. This is a really aggressive pullback here on YM.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a very aggressive pullback here on YM. Okay, okay, okay. I mean, based on how bad it pulls back here, yeah, I could take an entry based on the flip here, actually, based on what we know. Break up that 15-minute low there, it's 2 hour, yeah, yeah, yeah. I think that makes sense here. It closes. We'll wait for the closure though. Let's wait for the closure and see what happens.
Wait for the 15 closure.
Yep, because we have this zone here now. And yeah,
Yeah, it is.
yeah. I don't want to enter right away. I want to wait for the closure. Like if it flips right away, I want to wait for the closure. Cause why? Wow. Holy shit. Okay, yeah. So wow. Okay. Okay. This will be very important here. Let me remove this. Okay. Ooh, wow. Ooh, wow. Okay. So my NQ buys may get triggered here because yeah. I think I have that too much. 4 is too much on NQ. How much I normally do on NQ?
That seems are pulling many in this. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Okay, let's see. So this is a lovely closure on NQ, by the way. By the way, this is a beautiful closure. Second closure above the range. We should be able to fill this range here now. We should get a 1 to 3 here. Okay, so YM is closing above the 50-minute range. So yeah, I mean it's a major wick fill on the 15, but we'll need a bottom wick to execute on this. Yeah, we can't do nothing here on YM. NQ, however, I'm in on NQ once it breaks the highs. I'll be in on NQ here for buys. Okay, I'm in. I'm in on NQ. Bad decision, no bottom wick? Maybe,
Yeah.
maybe. Ooh, man, this is a tough one here, huh? Should have probably wait for a second push. So that's the bottom wick here for YM. I think that's it there for me. I think that's it there for me. I'm done 1 hour on the day. I think that's it here for me, guys. The flip of YM here. What's his range? Bro, you know what? That's my last trade here. Last trade. My last trade here.
With the wire.
Yeah, last trade on YM, yeah. Break up the highs. Last trade on YM. Because we are above, yeah, last trade on YM. Last trade on YM. That would be the last trade. That would be the last trade. I'm done here. We approaching top of the hour. And we could get a weak fill here. We have a nice zone here. 2.5 hour. Let's see. Risking like 1 Man, man, man. Really? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm not over trading. Okay. I'm not over trading. All right. I'm not over trading. We broke those highs. Let's just see what we get here, yeah? Let's just see what we get here. It's a good entry, by the way. Like 15-minute close above, we create a top wick, create a bottom wick, then we come back and break those highs. We could get a wick fill here. Like,
It does 5 minute close bullish.
we could get a wick fill here.
This,
Yeah. I mean, it's a good trade, bro. Like,
yeah, this
uh,
is very nice trade.
yeah, exactly. Like, that's what I'm saying. So it's a good trade. It's not like if I'm just here gambling and shit. It's a good trade. This is irrelevant anymore right now, right? And this is a 30-minute zone here at 510. So if it close above here in the next 12 minutes, I doubt I'll be in the trade still. But if it close above here, then yeah. Okay, 1 to 1. Let's get that weak fill. How about that, huh? And there is our 1 to 2 here. So stops a break even. Let it run, yeah. Let it run, man. Let it run. Let it run. Let it run. I'm okay with that. Let it run. Let it run. We have a whole week here to fill. We have a like it already got rid of the range. 30 minutes, yeah. The 30 minutes still open. Yeah, yeah. Let it do its thing, man. At least this high, at least until it reaches this high, at least, right? The 5 minute high, then yeah. Until it reaches the 5 minute high, which is right, yeah. This is a
Now the close is
5 minute
5 minutes.
high here. Oh, you wanna take it on the break of the highs?
No, I'm coming with you. Bring a high.
Okay, okay. Yeah, it seems like you wanna take us out here. Wow. Yep. All right. Yeah. It is what it is. Yeah. It is what it is. It is what it is. But we got again. YM was a trade here, and we're just more or less fucking around here now. YM was a trade here, and we missed it. YM was a trade, and we missed it. Second opportunity, we went 1 to 2. Yeah. So it is what it is here, guys. Yep. Don't want to keep the stream too long. So I'm calling it here, guys. See you tomorrow. Hope you all caught the YM buys and the NQ sales here. Those are good trades, right? See you all next day. Peace.